Hello everyone, it's your girl again. Today I'm making Nigerian Jollof Rice for my non-West African friends. I'm cooking for 20 people. I like the colors, so I prefer using these for my cooking. So I'm using rapeseed oil used to fry the chicken and the turkey inside my fryer. So I'm adding my onion. There is onion in me. This is the paste, ginger and garlic paste, half of a cup. My own homemade spices is a combination of nutmeg and some other spices. I'm going to add crayfish, as white pepper. Put a mix the whole thing together. I have tomato habanero rodo set. So I'm going to add everything. I've already shown you how I prep this earlier. I'm going to add my tomato later, my tomato paste, because it has already been pre-fried. So I'm just concentrating on getting this properly fried first. Then I will now add the tomato paste, a combination of Jerrican and chino that I've already pre-fried to take out the sour taste. So if you want to see the way I fry my tomato paste, check my video for it. Here is it. I've already fried it. It's been fried already. So I'm adding it to this. Yeah, this is. So I'm going to mix the whole thing together. To give it that bright color that we want in our jollof rice. I'm not gonna waste too much time on this because the tomato paste has been fried, like I said earlier. So at this junction, I will just add the other spices. I'm gonna add my salt. So I'm adding salt. Pink salt. I'm gonna add just a little, and I'm going to add this my spices. I'm adding a little as well. It's just half of the teaspoon, because I'm still going to add other spices. And this has a lot of ingredients in it. It has coriander, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, and others. So a little is okay for now. I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, then teaspoon. I'm going to stir and add in the other spices. And in this, I have 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add half here. The seasoning. This is herb, mixed herbs. It has a lot of herbs there. I'm adding half. I have 2 there already. That's half of it. This is curry. It's curry. gonna add the other half of the white pepper. Yeah, so I will mix and add my stock. I have 6 cups of chicken and turkey stock. It is, yeah, 6 cups. I'm cooking for 20 people, like I've said. So this is for 10 cups of rice. I'm going to cover, reduce the heat and cover for about 5 minutes to come to boil before I add my rice. I'm reducing the heat. Yeah. This is 10 cups of rice. It's been washed. Yeah, I'm going to add the whole thing to this thing. I'm going to mix everything together. Cover the rice with the sauce. Then I will now cover with I will cover and let it steam. I like this rice to soak the sauce before I add water. If I need to add water, so I'm going to cover up. I'm going to cover this up and let the rice soak in the flavor. Yeah, I will come back to check the next 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, we are back. So rice has actually soaked in the flavor. I'm going to add some water now. I'm adding 6 cups of water as well. 6 cups of water. So I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. I'm adding my special spices. It has nutmeg and black pepper in it, and some other stuff and some other things. If you want to know the way I make it, I will put the options on my video list. So I'm adding the remaining spices and sesame. And more salt as well. After you've tasted and you think you need more salt, you can add more salt. Let me just cover again. Yeah, I will come back again in the next 10-15 minutes. Yeah. Alright, we're back. Just want to check and taste for sauce. Oh, nice. Can you see the color? Okay. Yeah, I'm going to taste and add more sauce. I like to wait until this time after adding all the other ingredients before I add more salt. So I'm going to add more salt. Yeah, just a little. Then I'm adding salt. More salt. And more bay leaf. I already have some bay leaf there mixed with other spices. I'm adding one for more flavor. And there is thing for I'm meaning to say to reduce the heat again and cover up. I'm going to reduce them. Yeah. It is soft enough now. Just let it dry up more. I'm going to have our butter. So I'm going to use half of this. And I'm adding this chopped onions, spring onions, red onions, diced tomatoes without seed. I'm taking out the seed after the tomato. Turn off the heat completely. If you like my channel, please again subscribe, like, and put a comment. Tell me what you would like me to cook next time. So please subscribe. I'm begging. Please do encourage you again. My jollof rice is ready now. Look at how colorful and beautiful it is. So I'm going to dish right now.